Harriet from Eagle 4x4. Just taken delivery of the brand new 2023 New Gen Ranger in the lucid red colour. We're going to put some accessories on it, and we are going to start with the gloss black headlight surrounds. There's a right way and a wrong way on how to fit them. I'm going to show you the right way. Today guys, we're going to be fitting the front headlight surrounds for the New Gen Ranger. These are the gloss black ones. We also do them in matte black, and we do the rears to match also. First thing we recommend to do is to do a dry fit on the vehicle, just to make sure they are the right shape, you've got the right size, etc. And just simply hold them up to the vehicle and just make sure they all look okay for you. Okay, so what we recommend to do first guys is just give it a clean off. I'm just using some glass cleaner here. You'll probably have some of that in your cupboards at home. Simple spray over. Give it a quick wipe off just to get rid of any dirt and grime on there, any dead flies. Next thing, once the glass cleaner's all dry on there, I'm going to use some alcohol wipe. We do send these in with any sticky item that you do receive from us. Again, just go around mostly the edges of the lamp, but if you want to do the whole lamp, it doesn't hurt. Give your vehicle a bit of polish whilst you're fitting some new accessories to it. Just around the edges again, getting all that muck and grime off there and leaving a clean surface just for the tape to be able to stick on there. Okay, once the alcohol has dried up around the edges, we recommend using some 3M primer. We sell this on our website in a small little bottle. It's enough to do your whole truck, to be honest, with whatever accessories you buy from us. Simply screw the top off. Easy to use, little paintbrush on there. What I usually do when I'm fitting a new accessory that I'm not too sure, I have a look on the back just to see where the tape sits. So what you'll be doing is using the 3M primer just to go around these edges, just to build a really good contact of where the 3M tape sits to where you put the primer on the vehicle. Off in the corner there. Don't be shy with it. Put it on there all along the edges, and then we usually just give it a minute just to dry. Try and catch any runs or anything, so if you put too much on. All the way around the edges. So just whilst I'm applying this primer guys, all of our 2023 Ranger accessories are going to be available on our new website. You can find them at nextgenranger.co.uk. It's a new website we're building. Everything you need for your new vehicle can be found on there. Just around the edges like that. Give it a couple of seconds to dry. Okay, next step guys, just peeling off the 3M tape. It's a bit fiddly. Just said I don't need a blade, but I might do. Do it. Put that in my pocket. Oh, dropped a bit. Okay, next step, we recommend, if you've got a heat gun, great, use a heat gun. If not, you can, on a nice day like this, you can just leave it in the sun. just to heat up, just to get that stickiness of the tape on there, just to help react with the primer. Just going to use a heat gun here. Again, if you haven't got a heat gun, you can use your hairdryer you've got at home. So what I tend to do, I usually start in the corners. So line it up in the corner first, get that to stick, holding the rest of the surround outwards just because you don't want it to hit the surface and stick down, and then follow it round, just lining that up in all the edges, holding it down for a few seconds, working it round, and then finally finishing off the back. And again, just holding it down for a few seconds just to allow that tape to stick on there and react with that primer. There we go. There you have it. The gloss black front headlight surrounds. So guys, look, you can see now how well that has stuck on there. And also the difference it makes on the vehicle. Personally, the gloss black ones are my favourite. They make the truck just look classy. If you come round to the other side, and that's the headlight there with no surround on there. They look great. They're available to order. Right, so there you go, guys. What did you say to say? I wasn't listening, I was looking at Whitey. Alright guys, there you have it, the gloss headlight surrounds, they're fitted. We've got a lot more accessories available for the new Gen 2023 Ranger. Again, they are all available on nextgenranger.co.uk. And we are going to, unfortunately for my sake, be doing a lot more of these videos where hopefully I'll get a little bit better on them, explaining some more of the new exciting accessories we've got coming for the Ranger. Thank you.